Morning everybody, it's Stuart here from Hot Forex. It's Tuesday the 12th of February and welcome to another European session. Markets have opened relatively positively, certainly on the equity front. We've had sentiment lifted really. We've had agreement between the Republicans and the Democrats in the US to what looks like to stop the potential shutdown of the government on Friday. President Trump is yet to ratify that or tweet about it, in fact. So watch that later. Also, the China-US trade talks have started yesterday. No leaks so far, but all sounds very positive, swirling news around that. So relatively positive sentiment has lifted stocks and certainly lifted the Aussie here. Aussie is the best performing currency overnight. I'll start here with the Aussie yen. The yen's under significant pressure and it's moved really aggressively here with if you're trading this one with this crossing strategy overnight in the Asian side. A very nice run over the pivot point through R1, through R2 and ran right into the 200 period. As I say, yen's very weak here. Dollar yen at 3 months highs here, 10.62 this morning over that big psychological 110 we talked about yesterday, and it's just rallied up very, very nicely. Also run over the 10.50 level as well, 10.56 at the moment. So dollar bid against the yen, a weak yen as I said earlier. Euro down in the dumps a bit at 12.80. Pivot sits at 12.90, so under the psychological 1300 yesterday and all through the Asian session. Pound remains under pressure. Obviously the Brexit talk swirl. The vote on Thursday looks like it's going to be inconsequential now. Mrs May's actually in Parliament today. I don't know what she's going to be saying about that, but the surprise move, some talk about obviously the issue with the Labour Party and staying in the customs union has been rejected flatly. The letters she got from Corbyn over the weekend, but they're still talking apparently, so that might alienate some of the hardline Brexiteers within their own party. So just to bring on some Labour middle ground voters potentially, but anyway, it's a mess. The Northern Ireland backstop is still fixed, and the outcome of it all, or the upshot of it all, is a weaker pound and a stronger FTSE as the pound continues to weaken. So here we're at 12.86 intraday. Pivot is daily pivot is at 12.88. So perhaps looking to have a go at that as that's triggered longer here, but capped by the pivot. So that's moved sideways. No direction there in that movement, but sideways and a biggish candle taking out the overnight action. I'd say Aussie's had a strong morning down here at 70.50. You see, we didn't get as low as that, but big strong morning. I'd say it's best performer overnight. Stocks again held at 27.10 yesterday, 27.15, and would have been as high as 27.26 I think this morning. So stocks bid on this rising sentiment. Gold was down earlier, but it's rallied in the last few hours over the key 1310 level when we're testing the resistance here at 1314 initially, so strong 3 hours there. And oil finally also been down overnight. Let's zoom that up. Dear. There we go. Down overnight here. This wasn't overnight. This was yesterday. Yes, we're down under $52 here at 51.35. That we rallied quite significantly through 52 and didn't quite get the 53 earlier on, but we're over the 52.50. So oil's also on the bid along with the gold bid, even though dollar remains bid. So we've got a strong equity and commodity sentiment this morning. So take care. See you all at the live analysis webinar later, where we look at a lot of this in more detail and look at some of the daily time frames down to the 1 hour and 15 minute time frames as well. But it's all about what you want me to have a look at. I'm here for you. So see you all later and have a trading session till then. All the best. Bye bye.